So boys and girls, I am going to begin today concept of AMU and mole. In stoichiometry, that is basics of chemistry, we done significant figures, laws of chemical combinations, and the third one we are taking up AMU and mole concept. After this, after all these concepts, we do some problems, previous problems and this year problems, and what problems can come, what kind of numericals can come in exam, that kind of things we can do later. Some theory we'll do, and of course some theory and practice also going on. Concept of AMU and mole. In this concept of AMU and mole, what is this AMU? Atomic mass unit. AMU is atomic mass unit. What is the importance of AMU? See, atoms and molecules are very lighter particles. Finding their weights by putting them in simple balance is not possible because they are very, very, very light. In minus grams, 10 power minus grams, it will be there. Therefore, to find relative weights of atoms and molecules, we will have to take some unit, that is AMU. What is AMU? When you divide carbon 12, suppose this is carbon 12, divide into 12 parts, one part of it is called as 1/12. 1/12 part of carbon 12 atom is called as 1 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 part of carbon 12 atom or carbon 12 isotope. What is the importance of AMU? I told you to find relative weights of atoms and molecules with respect to carbon 12 atom. Atomic weight. Suppose you want atomic weight, what we do? Weight of one atom of an element, one atom of an element by 1/12 of mass of or 1/12 part of mass of carbon 12 atom. Atomic weight, weight of one atom of an element to 1/12 of mass of 1/12 part of carbon 12 atom is 1 AMU. How do you get 1 AMU first of all? I repeat, concept of AMU and mole. I said AMU is atomic mass unit. What is the importance of AMU? To find relative weights of atoms and molecules. 1 AMU is 1/12 part of carbon 12 atom. You want to find out atomic weight of an element, weight of one atom of an element by 1/12 part of carbon 12, 1/12 part of mass of carbon 12 atom. Weight of one atom of an element by 1/12 part of mass of carbon 12 atom. Actually, this 1 AMU, when you calculate, we get 1 AMU as 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. I repeat, 1 AMU is 1/12 of part of carbon 12 atom, which is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. How do you get this? 1 AMU, see, 1 AMU, I said 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. One atom carbon 12 is 12 AMU. 1 mole of atom's weight is 12 gram. 12 gram by Avogadro number, we get, 12 cancel, 1 by this, we get 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram is 1 AMU. we get 1 AMU. Then I told you importance of AMU. When you divide 1/12 part of mass of carbon 12 atom, right, you get 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. 1 AMU is equal to that. So we can put 1 AMU as 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. This is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. This is 1 AMU. Suppose you want to find atomic weight of any element in gram. You want to find atomic weight of any element in gram. Weight of one atom of an element is equal to atomic weight into 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. For example, weight of one atom of an element. This is also called as actual weight. This kind of questions were asked. Actual weight of an atom. Actual weight of single atom of an element. Atomic weight in AMU into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. For example, hydrogen. Actual weight of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.008 into 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. You get approximately 1.672 or 673 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. Actual weight of an atom of silicon is atomic weight in AMU 28 into 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. You can calculate, right, actual weight of an atom, single atom in gram like this. Therefore, we can write 1 AMU as 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. This is reciprocal of Avogadro number. This is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. These are all equals. This is what AMU concept.